In a futuristic leap, the tech-savvy cat turns into a space broadcaster with the help of AI Pin. Wearing a sleek headset, Cat broadcasts the latest updates from the cosmos straight from its cozy lunar station. The AI Pin translates the pulsar's rhythmic beats into breaking news, while the cat's charismatic commentary captivates audiences on Earth and beyond. From moonquakes to nebula discoveries, Cat keeps everyone informed, showcasing AI Pin's language adaptability and real-time data processing. As the feline reporter wraps up with, "Are we alone in the universe? What stories will tomorrow bring?" Hints of yet-to-come cosmic adventures linger. Imagine receiving your space news from Cat. It's a perfect broadcast from across the stars.